Good day, everyone. This is Reinalia Sarno, and this is the informational video presented by Group 3 EPIMETHEUS. And our topic is all about simple random sampling method. So, what is simple random sampling method? So, it is a method of selecting a sample from a population in a way that each individual or element has an equal chance of being chosen. This is typically done through randomization, such as using random number generators or random selection of methods, ensuring that each member of the population has an unbiased opportunity to be included in the sample. Simple random sampling method is also called as SRS. S stands for simple, R stands for random, and S stands for sampling. So it is for you to remember it easily. So here we can see 30 population in a total of 30. So it can be a student, it can be a dog owner, it can be a senior citizen, it can be anything you want it to be. So we will get 10 sample from this population. For example, we get an hat and we will number it from 1 to 30 and then we will randomly select. So in the next video, we will be presenting to you a short scenario of a friend or classmate who are discussing about simple random sampling method.
Hey, have you ever wondered how researchers obtain data that represent a larger population accurately?
I've always been curious about that. Is there a specific method they use?
Absolutely. One of the most common methods is called simple random sampling. It's a way to select a subset of individuals from a population in completely random and unbiased manner.
So it's like picking names out of a hat or using a random number generator.
Exactly. Imagine you have a population of 500 people and you want to survey their opinions on a particular topic. With simple random sampling, you would assign each person a number and randomly select, let's say, 50 numbers. Those 50 individuals would be your sample.
I see. So every person in the population has an equal chance of being selected, right?
That's correct. Simple random sampling ensures that each member of the population has an equal probability of being chosen. It helps to eliminate any bias and ensure a fair representation of the population. That's really important. It ensures that the sample accurately reflects the diversity of the population. Absolutely. And by having a representative sample, researchers can make valid inference about the entire population based on the data collected.
So with simple random sampling, the findings from the sample can be generalized to the larger population.
Exactly. That's one of the key advantages of this method. The findings can be generalized, assuming that the sample was selected randomly and the sample size is appropriate.
It sounds like a powerful tool for searchers. Are there any limitations to simple random sampling?
Good question. Simple random sampling may not be most efficient method when dealing with larger population. It can be also challenging to reach every member of population, especially geographically.
Ah, I see. So, in some cases, other sampling method might be more suitable.
Yes, absolutely. There are other methods like stratified random sampling, cluster sampling, or systematic sampling that may be more appropriate depending on the research objectives and constraints.
Makes sense. It's important to consider the specific context and goals of the study.
Definitely, understanding different sampling methods is crucial for researchers to ensure the accuracy and validity of their findings.
Thanks, guys, for explaining to me in detail about simple random sampling. Seems like a fundamental concept in statistics.
You're welcome, my friend. It's my pleasure to share what I do.